beauties, Andrea. I'm here with no makeup, so of course it is another acne video. I told you guys my previous vlogs running from, I don't know, 3 months ago that we're partnering up with Banish to try one of their acne kits, and I'll be sharing the experience with you guys only if it works. I was using it while you guys were giving me compliments on my skin and asking about my skin. I was like, yes, I am trying the Banish acne kit and I'll do a video if it works. So here we are. I did use one thing from Banish before. It was their needle, which is the Banisher, right? This is what it looks like. This little scary guy right here. Yes, it's little tiny needles on my face. That's what I used before. And I didn't use it correctly. I didn't use it properly because I was using it really every other day or so. And I didn't like the feeling. It was really uncomfortable because I was using it wrong. I wasn't supposed to use it every day. This you're supposed to throw away after 3 uses. And I didn't follow directions. But this time it worked much better. Of course, because I followed the instructions. So a little bit of my skin. The first time I ever seen a pimple ever was on my crush. Yes, I was in 7th grade. I have this crush which I followed him around. I had no idea how I followed him home sometimes. He acted like he was always so annoyed at me, but somehow we always end up together having conversation. I don't know if I followed him all the time. No idea. Don't remember. First time I seen acne was one pimple on his forehead, and then we were both wondering what was that, like what is that. The next day he came back to school, it was gone, and I was like, what happened? He said he fell off the couch and he banged his face on the couch while it was falling off, and it disappeared. Literally, the thing you can really see it once you go really close, because it was much darker than me, so the black spot that stayed there because he kept playing with it afterwards blended with the skin so you could barely see it. So when my turn came around, puberty, at the end of middle school, starting high school, I didn't know what to do, but I knew if I banged my face on the couch, it would go away. You're watching right now, you're so confused. I look back, I'm like, Andrea, you are dumb. They're picking up bacteria from the couches, banging my face on the couch, and it got worse. I didn't know what to do. I was always touching my face. It was hormonal. Yes, it was puberty, alright? And my problems with acne has always been connected with some kind of hormones. It's always been, when I got pregnant, it got really bad. All my 3 pregnancies, because during that time, also very stressed out, which caused me to touch it afterwards, which causes the acne marks to stay behind for a while, and I have to get rid of it afterwards with different things that I try, especially baking soda. So that has been my journey. I never really had problems with acne due to makeup because I was very good at wiping off my makeup. And when I used to wear more makeup back in the day, when you guys see on camera, what you guys see on camera is literally what I used on camera, and I wiped right off. Problems has always been my hands and hormones. Yes, just, you know, depression, everything like that. It's just me touching my face because something I'm going through with life and my hormones. Those are the main reasons why I got acne. I'm not a person that gets acne like crazy or anything like that, but I'm a person, once I get one, like let's see this one right there, I touch it like everybody else, it stays behind, like the mark stays behind, but when I don't mess with it, it goes away. I have no problems. It's a habit. So right here I have my Banish Acne Scars kit, so let me tell you everything that's in here, also everything that did not come in that little pouch. So the first thing is the Banisher. This is the Banisher. Yes, it looks like little needles in there. Yes, it is. That's exactly what it is. And you're supposed to roll it on your skin different directions. Make sure you do not roll it side to side like this. Roll it in the direction of the roller, okay? Because you don't want to hurt yourself. When you roll this on your skin, it creates micro tiny holes, in other words, extremely tiny holes on your skin, making your skin go through the process of healing it. Just like if you scrape your knee, your skin automatically goes into taking care of it with a natural healing process. Once you do that, your skin will naturally start the process to repair the scars or the holes. So creating those holes, that's what makes the creams or the serums or whatever you use in the Banish get into the skin, because usually when you apply any other product, it usually doesn't get really deep in there, but once you use this, it does. It helps get in there. You're supposed to only use this once every 2 weeks. After 3 uses, you throw it away or you replace it if you want to continue with the acne treatment. You clean it after every single use. Fill this little tub right here with some alcohol, leave it in there for a while, and then take it out and it will dry. The Banish Activated Charcoal Clay Mask. It's for you to mix with a little bit of water and use it on your face once your face is clean. This is supposed to deep clean your pores, draw out the blackheads, excess oils, and dirt. Only supposed to use a thin layer of clay mask once a week and you're good to go. A pore smasher. I keep this in the freezer. Yeah, this is cold. You can keep it in the fridge as well. It doesn't have to be in the freezer. You know, yeah, this is supposed to numb your face because it's cold, okay? Numb your face getting ready for that tiny needle that's about to roll on your face. And this also reduces puffiness and redness on your skin. And after you clean your Banisher with rubbing alcohol, you gotta clean it before each use, before and after. Make sure you roll this on your face. By the way, I do it in different directions. I do it up and down. I do it to the sides. for a little while, diagonally for a little while, both ways. The holes are in, make sure you do not touch any active acne, and that's when you go with your oils. 4 drops of Banish oil on your skin, and then you spray your face with the vitamin C beauty elixir. Alright, I already replaced both of them. This is a 3-month process. Alright, this is my 3-month update from the first time I used the vitamin C beauty elixir. This is the one that tones the skin, keep that in mind. Alright, after I do all that, I can just go to sleep. I don't have to wash my face after using those oils and sprays on my skin. Pumpkin enzyme mask, 1 to 2 days after. This is the mask that's going to exfoliate your skin. Be very sensitive. I use a little bit goes a long way. It's very thin, so do use a thin layer. I feel like it's a little hard to wash out. A little bit goes so long way, you don't even have to replace this, okay? Of course, everything comes with instructions. With this, I was so happy that it came with a weekly routine guide from Sunday. I literally follow this from Monday to Friday to the T, but it from Sunday through Saturday. The recap. So Sunday I use a charcoal mask on my clean face. Following up with a pore smasher that's already cold to numb my face, okay, right after I rinsed out the mask. Then go with the banisher to create the holes on my skin in different directions, up and down, side to side, diagonally, both ways. Then Banish oil and vitamin C beauty elixir. On Mondays through Saturdays, except for Wednesdays, Banish oil and then the elixir, sealing it off with the pore smasher to seal everything in because it's cold. It closes the skin. Finally, on Wednesdays, it's middle of the week, that's when I use my pumpkin enzyme mask. This is that thin mask, right? That's the mask that's going to exfoliate. Washed after 10 minutes, and then I use the Banish oil and then seal it off with the pore smasher. That is what I did, and these are the results. One thing that I want to make clear is the fact that, what did I notice? I noticed that in the beginning I did not see no change as far as my acne marks. I didn't see nothing disappearing for about literally almost to a month. I was really worried. I'm like, okay, I don't see nothing disappearing off my face, but the main thing that I see is my skin. My skin kept getting very toned. Everything was getting more even. That's the one thing I noticed. My skin, according to my face and my neck, but itself, my face was getting more even. After, I don't know, a month and a half, almost 2 months, that's when I started seeing change in my acne marks. They started disappearing slowly. They were going away. And no, I did not see some crazy acne coming through at all at once, like the products bringing up all the impurities all at once. I did not see that, thank goodness. The second thing that I seen after my skin getting more even is the texture of my skin was very smooth. It was a little bit more smoother, and my pores were much smaller. That's the second thing. Smaller pores, smoother skin. It's been 3 months now. I did run out of the elixir because I used it literally every day. The elixir and the Banish oil, I had to replace them. Of course, I just had some new friends just show up right here, these two right here, which hopefully they'll go away soon. This is my left side, as you can see. And by the way, my skin also showed up to be less oily. I do have oily skin, not dry. It did not get dry. That's the main thing that I was very happy about. Alright, this is my right side. This is my right side, of course, a little more clear than my left. Everything, but my main problems, of course, are right here. And I am very happy. The other side. gonna keep it in my routine. Even if I start doing something else, another challenge that I actually want to do, I'm gonna keep these in my routine because I like how healthy it keeps my skin. To do more research on the Banish, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you, guys.